It may have been the most tense day in the Stacey Castor murder trial as the defense watched the credibility of some of its witnesses shredded right in front of the jury. Castor's accused of killing her husband David with antifreeze in 2005 and trying to kill her daughter 2 years later to cover it up. Now, Jeff Kulikowsky has been in the court for the entire trial. He joins us from the newsroom now. Jeff, what happened?
Rod, it started off as a very rough day for the defense as prosecutors got their first chance at cross-examination first thing this morning, and it got even rougher and ended much rougher for the defense as Stacey Castor's fiancé took the stand. All in all, a very strong day of cross-examination.
You lied to this jury minutes ago in this courtroom.
That I didn't recollect finding the pill bottle.
No, I asked you if you lied to the grand jury in December of
Okay, yes.
08, and you told this jury, no, I didn't lie to the grand jury. Do you remember that?
Okay, I misspoke. I apologize.
And you agree with me, there's absolutely no mention in here of any conversation that you had with the defendant about getting medical treatment. Is that true?
Not in the written statement.
Not in the written statement. So the police, you told the police this, you were anxious to tell them, but they just didn't put it in the statement. Is that your testimony?
Well,
yes or no?
What it was...
Yes or no, sir?
Yeah, I told the
You
officer.
told them, but they didn't put it in there.
The defense called several witnesses today and tried to make some headway with the jury. They called Stacey Castor's mom to the stand.
Tell us about something you observed about David Castors interacting with the girls. Tell us something you saw.
They had a hostile relationship.
Well, let's talk about the girls generally. Was that both Bree and Ashley?
Ashley especially.
Ashley's ex-boyfriend was also on the stand in front of jurors to talk about a letter and discussion the two had about Ashley's thoughts of suicide.
She was arguing with David Castor about schoolwork, not doing things that she was told to do at home.
Of course, much has been made throughout the case about the note, a parent suicide note found in Ashley's bedroom the morning of her overdose. Of course, the defense maintains, in fact, it is Ashley Wallace's suicide note, and that's why they called her ex-boyfriend to the stand. The prosecutors all along have said Stacey Castor forged that note in an effort to pin David Castor's murder on her daughter. Rod?
All right, Jeff, thanks very much. Now, jurors were sent home about an hour and a half early this afternoon. The case will resume with more defense witnesses at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.